By signing up for an account on regalsecurity.co.za, you are able to browse products and generate quotations from Regal to your business. But you are now also able to convert those quotations to send to your customers, including your business name, information, additional items, and markup. To get started, log into your account at regalsecurity.co.za. Before creating your first customer quotation, make sure that all your contact and company information is present so that it can appear on both quotations to you and those you create for your customers. To do this, move your mouse cursor over My Dashboard and select Dashboard. Next, click on My Business Quotes and then click on Business Profile and Quotation Setup. When completing this setup, make sure to only use letters and numbers. Do not use any special characters such as brackets, apostrophes, symbols, etc. Enter your company name, business registration number, VAT number if you had one, and upload your company logo. Scroll down and add your business address. Scroll down further to add terms and conditions along with your business banking details and any details to be displayed at the footer of quotations sent to your customers. Take note that any information you'd like to appear on a new line must be separated by the use of semicolons and not by using the Enter key on your keyboard. By entering this information as seen here with semicolons, it will appear like this on your quotations. When you are done capturing all the relevant information, click Save. You are now ready to create quotations from your business to your customers. To create your first customer quotation, search our products to find the items you want to add to the quote. Once you have submitted a quotation, you will be able to convert it to a customer quote. Click on My Business Quotes and then click Create Business Quote. Here you will find all submitted quotes. Any submitted quote may be converted to a customer quote. To do this, click on Create Quote for the quotation you'd like to convert. Fill in the customer details and information that will appear on the quotation. You may want to change the quote name as this is the name that will appear on the customer's quotation. Scroll down and choose to display or exclude unit prices. Tick to show individual unit prices on a quote. Untick to show only quote totals. This also applies for additional service charges you'd like to add to the quotation. Next, choose the markup percentage you'd like for each item. This will be calculated automatically based on the percentage you choose. Only the marked up values will appear on the customer's quotation. If you prefer, you may also choose a markup rand value instead of a percentage. Scroll down to add additional charges. This is done by clicking on Service Types and then choosing the type of charge you will be adding to the quote. Now type in the price of this additional service and give it a description. To add more services, click on Add Other Services. Follow the same process for each service you'd like to add to the customer quotation. Finally, add any comments that should appear at the bottom of the customer quote. Enter comments separated by semicolons in order for them to appear in different lines on the quote document. When you are satisfied that everything required has been added to the quotation, click Create Quote. Your new customer quote will now be available under Saved Business Quotes, where you can view, download, or archive it. The downloaded quotation will include the customer details, your company information, the items included from Regal, the additional service items you included, your comments, quotation totals, your company banking details and terms and conditions, footer details, and a space for your customer to sign upon quotation acceptance.